Welcome back to Escape Camper Life, your home for everything adventure, travel, and life on the road. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting at the all-new 2026 Honda Motorhome. Honda has always been a brand known for reliability, innovation, and smart design, but this new motorhome takes it to a whole new level for travelers and nomads alike. Let's get into it. At first glance, the 2026 Honda Motorhome stands out with its sleek, futuristic design that still feels approachable and inviting. Honda has blended aerodynamic lines with a rugged underbody, making this rig just as ready for the open highway as it is for the unbeaten path. It's built on a brand new chassis, specifically engineered for stability and comfort on long drives, and features an all-electric powertrain with a backup hybrid system, meaning fewer stops at the pump and more time exploring. With an estimated range of over 400 miles on a full charge and fast charging capability, this motorhome is ready to keep up with the modern adventurer's lifestyle. Stepping inside, the interior feels like something out of a dream. Honda has prioritized space, comfort, and technology, offering a flexible floor plan that can be adjusted based on your needs. The living area transforms easily from a cozy lounge into a full dining setup, and the high-end kitchen includes energy-efficient appliances, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and even a compact dishwasher. Soft-touch materials, sustainable woods, and a panoramic skylight create a space that's both luxurious and eco-conscious. Smart technology is integrated throughout, with voice-activated controls, an AI-powered energy management system, and modular furniture that adapts to different activities. Sleeping accommodations are generous, with a queen-size Murphy bed that tucks neatly into the wall during the day, and an innovative loft space that can serve as a second sleeping area or extra storage. The bathroom doesn't disappoint either, with a walk-in shower, a composting toilet system, and heated flooring, little details that make a huge difference when you're living on the road. Honda's advanced climate control system keeps the interior comfortable year-round, while triple insulated walls and UV-tinted windows help maintain energy efficiency no matter where you park. On the outside, the 2026 model features a powered awning with integrated solar panels that feed directly into the motorhome's high-capacity battery bank. Storage solutions are smartly designed, offering plenty of hidden compartments and even an optional electric scooter garage for urban exploration. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. It comes loaded with Honda Sensing 360 technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for stress-free parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. This motorhome isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about living the journey in comfort, style, and with a light footprint on the planet. Honda's attention to detail and focus on sustainability really show with the 2026 model, making it an ideal choice for anyone who dreams of life on the road without compromise. Thanks for watching today's walkthrough of the incredible 2026 Honda Motorhome. If you love exploring the future of camper life as much as we do, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. This is Escape Camper Life, where your next adventure is always just around the corner. See you on the road.